Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of TheFadShow. So on tonight's episode, we're going to install some new LED headlights on our new to us Toyota Tacoma. We're absolutely in love with the truck so far, but one area it's lacking in is its light output at night. Luckily, there's plenty of information out there for these trucks since they're so popular. So we went with the GTR Lighting brand Ultra 2s. These supposedly are the brightest H11 headlights available for the Tacoma. I guess technically that's for any vehicle, but I digress. So on this video, we're gonna do an install, which should be quick and easy. I also already went ahead and took it for a drive with the stock halogens on it. I also took a picture with my DSLR camera. I'm gonna leave the exposure settings exactly the same, and then we'll take another picture just of the garage door once we get these lights in to compare the brightness. Supposedly, based on some research I did, these are about almost 200% brighter than the stock lights. So twice the light output is pretty good, and they also have a lifetime warranty, despite the fact that they're made in China, but fingers crossed they'll be all right and we'll be able to get our money back if we needed to, or not get our money back, but get a replacement if something goes wrong, because they are supposed to have a lifetime warranty. So with that, let's go ahead and get these installed. Before we start the install, here's a quick before video of the halogen lights against our garage door, and then a quick driving clip. I think you can see pretty clearly in the driving clip that these lights definitely leave something to be desired. That being said, these are shot on a GoPro and it will auto adjust the exposure slightly. So in the box is the new bulb, and it comes with some zip ties and screws. We also went ahead and ordered the anti-flicker harness for it, which I'm not entirely sure if this is necessary. I think if you're going to be using it in low beam applications like we are, it's probably good to have it because it's going to be on all the time. So if there's any variations in voltage or whatever, you could get some flickering, and that would drive me crazy. So this is like another $70 or whatever to get this. Overall, the kit is pretty pricey, but you do get the lifetime warranty, and despite being made in China, everything feels like really high quality. So first we're gonna install the anti-flicker harness. So you're just gonna find your low beam bulb, which is the one that has the projector housing in it, and then you're just gonna turn it 60 degrees, and it's gonna come out like that. And then there's a tab on the back side of the bulb that you just press down. You can take your old bulb out, and the anti-flicker harness is going to go into there, and it has the male fittings, and it does look like this can go either way, so it's going to be a 50-50-90 as far as if it's going to light up or not. Since this is since the lights are diodes, it will require correct polarity to illuminate. So now the anti-flicker harness is installed, I'm going to clean up this area here and then just use double-sided tape to mount that in there, just so it's out of the way and not flapping around. I'm going to clean up the area. And I have this Gorilla double-sided tape that I'm just gonna cut to the size of the back of this, and this is like nice and rubberized too, so it'll keep it from vibrating. So there's that mounted in there. Now the light bulb. It's gonna go in here, and plus minus, plus minus. Just keep these. And then there's one tab that's larger than the other two. So you just gotta find that larger one. There's one tab that's larger than the other two, so you just gotta find that one and clock it correctly. And then turn it 60 degrees, and it's locked in there. And then for this one, I'm just going to zip tie this to here, because this can't rest on here because that's where the hood sets down on. So I'm just going to zip tie it so it won't flap around. There, and that's, I guess if you wanted to put a second one on, you could, but it's not going to move around too much to make any noise. So now the moment of truth, if we got the polarity right, I guess you could not install the bulbs all the way. Sweet, we got both of them. I like that color of light. It's like a nice cool blue. And then there's the install for the driver's side. There's a lot more room on the driver's side, so the anti-flicker harness is up here. The light driver is down here. The wires are more or less tucked up out of the way where they're not gonna fray on anything. And then the other side was actually, even though it's less room, kind of made everything sit a little bit neater. Anti-flicker harness up here, zip tied the driver here, and then all the wires can't move at all on this side because it's a little bit more condensed with that. But now I guess let's go outside and see how it looks. And here's how the new lights look outside in the dark. They have a nice cool blue color, but not too much. It's just perfect white light in my opinion. And as I think it shows on video, they're definitely a lot brighter than the stock halogens. Driving, I think, is probably the most significant change. It illuminates a lot brighter and further down the road. And here are some before and after pictures with the same exposure settings on my DSLR camera. I think it makes it kind of non-subjective and visible that the new headlights are definitely brighter than the stock halogens. So after the initial testing and first drive with the new headlights, the difference is night and day, no pun intended. But yeah, these lights are immensely brighter than the stock halogens. I'm not really sure why Toyota decided to put the halogens on the TRD models, but I guess this is 21 and 22 they started offering full LED headlights. It looks just so much more modern though, with like the blue light, and then obviously the output is pretty significant difference. You can see in that picture where I had the same exposure is significantly brighter with the LEDs, and then also the driving video, even though the camera is going to adjust for exposure since I was just shot on my GoPro. I think it's pretty clear to see that it's brighter. This was a really easy DIY. It probably took 30 minutes even filming the video to do both sides, and that was just taking my time. So hope you guys like this video. I'm not really sure what's next coming for the Tacoma, but we'll be continuing work on the Land Cruiser. So as always, if you really liked it, then please like and subscribe, help support the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.